What up, crew? Today we're gonna see how many ATMs I can do in 60 seconds. So, let's do it. All right, guys, so here we are. Bam, got my deck right here. For those of you who don't know, ATM is a move by Oliver Sogard in where you flick a card from one hand to the other, and it looks something like this. Fun fact, I actually made a Learn With Me video for ATM, and if you don't know what that is, Learn With Me is a series where I pretty much learn a move from scratch. So just by watching the video, I learn it right in front of you. And if you want to go and check that out, I'll put the link to it on the screen and description. Now let me tell you right off the bat, the one concern I have with the ATM move is when you're doing ATM, you take a small chunk of cards from one hand and you're shooting that over to the other hand. Now, my concern is in the 60-second challenge, what'll happen when I run out of cards in one hand? So a couple things that I found, I guess, kind of like a workaround, but also not really. I'm gonna have to grab a much larger chunk of cards. I think Oliver Sogard in his tutorial said to grab maybe like 10 to 15. So I'm gonna be grabbing like 20 to 25 cards in this packet here and flicking that over. Now, of course, this is going to be a lot more difficult to do with a thicker packet, but I think ultimately it will help the speed. And then when I'm reloading, I'll have to, I don't know, put these cards over back and then grab the cards again. And just one note I want to add. When I have one card left in my hand like this, and if I flick that over, I'm not going to count that as an ATM that's completed. Well, that's enough talking from me. I'm just going to do a few more of these for good luck. Oh my god. Like I was saying, I'll just do a few more of these for good luck. Here we go. Okay, that was okay enough. I think we're ready to get started. So we're all set. Got my timer right here. You should have your timer on the screen. I'm going to start off with a giant chunk of cards, or a medium-sized chunk of cards. Hit that start button. I just realized I didn't have a goal. Whatever. I don't got time for that now. Here we go. No, that doesn't count. That one doesn't count. Oh. God. This is not... I feel like I was able to talk through the other ones. This one, I feel so much pressure. Okay, we're okay. Let's calm down. How much? I don't even know what time. Okay. It's okay. We're all good. Take a calm down. That's it. I don't even know how the car started messing up. Oh my god, Jesus. I started counting in the beginning, but then after a while, my brain just stopped functioning. And here we are now. Okay, so I just had to watch the playback several times because I did not come up with a consistent number every time I saw it. But I think it's safe to say that I got 77 ATMs in 60 seconds, which is more than one per second. So, I don't know about you, but I'm impressed by myself. Let me know down in the comments below how many ATMs you can do in 60 seconds. And if you have any other ideas for challenges, make sure to let me know that as well. Of course, I have other challenge videos on my channel. Check out that playlist right here for all the other cool stuff. I'll see you there. Peace out.